Good morning in Michigan. We have a hot and humid day ahead for us. Look at these afternoon highs, low 90s across the map with a southwesterly breeze. That's going to bring in not just heat, but also humidity. So it's going to feel even hotter. It's going to feel downright tropical as we go through the afternoon hours with those dew points hovering right around that 70-degree mark. Heat advisories remain in effect for today. That's an update from yesterday for us. We're looking at those highlighted here for the central and southernmost side of the lower peninsula. Now, depending on where you are, that's determining when they'll expire. If you are closer to Lake Huron with a northeasterly breeze kicking in tonight into tomorrow, help to cool us off a bit, you're going to see this heat advisory for those in the Thumb region. Bay region, that's going to expire later on tonight. However, if you're further inland, this is where you're going to find that heat advisory not expiring until tomorrow evening. It's going to be hot and humid for everybody this afternoon with that heat index around 95 degrees. We have this cold front that'll finally make its way through later on tonight, and that's going to help to again cool us off just a little bit for tomorrow. Some more scattered shower chances, maybe some thunderstorms in the forecast, not just for today, but also tomorrow. And then we see that chance of rain linger into the end of the week as this front settles into the south of us today. Shifts back to a warm front by Friday morning. As it lifts northward, we're going to see those temperatures go back up a bit into Friday and especially Saturday. So let's go through today. We're starting off the morning with some clouds. We're going to see these diminish a bit. More sunshine for the afternoon with highs today in the low 90s. We are going to see that chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms right on through our afternoon and evening time frame. We do have a marginal risk for severe weather today, especially for the I-69 corridor here. We're going to keep an eye on things. That's highlighted there in the darker green. It's a level 1 out of 5, so it's the smallest chance you can have, but it's still there. So we'll watch things through the afternoon and evening. A couple storms may have some gusty winds and also some very heavy rain out there. Now you may want to get out there, soak in some sunshine, and really we like the sun. Our bodies do too. The sun's UV rays help to generate that vitamin D in the body, and those higher levels of vitamin D then promote higher levels of serotonin, so it helps to improve your mood a bit. But today, maybe not the best day to soak in the sunshine, because when we add in the humidity, with those temperatures, it's going to feel like the middle 90s throughout the afternoon, and we don't see a whole lot of relief into the early evening time frame. Now you keep hearing us talk about humidity, and this is why it's such a big deal. So our bodies like to stay right near that 98.6 degree mark. So when our body temperature rises, when it's really hot out there, sweat gets released from our skin. That water from the sweat evaporates, and that helps to draw the heat out of the body. It's known as evaporative cooling. Think about when you get out of the swimming pool or the shower and it feels chilly for a second. That's that process. When it's really muggy though, that sweat has a really hard time evaporating from your skin, and that helps to keep you warmer. You also feel kind of sticky. So days like today, we got to take all those proper precautions as we are looking at one of those days we got to take extreme caution with heat indices this high. Here's a reminder for you of what we can see when we're this hot. We can see heat exhaustion or we can see heat stroke. If you see any signs of heat stroke, you need to make sure that you take a break and call 911. Keep your pets safe today as well. We have that 7-second rule. A reminder, place the back of your hand on the pavement. If you can't hold it there for 7 seconds, it's too hot for your dog. Now we are looking at, again, another warm day out there. That sun has no problem moving into your car, and then your car's like a greenhouse. It traps all that heat inside. Days like today, when we're talking temperatures mid-80s by lunchtime, in just 10 minutes, it's 104 degrees inside your car. For the afternoon, after 10 minutes, we're talking temperatures topping 110 degrees. So make sure, again, you stay safe out there. Check on those sensitive to the heat. Luckily, relief is on the way. By tomorrow morning, we're dropping back to the mid-upper 60s. We then see highs for your day tomorrow, staying in the 70s and 80s. Here's a look at that extended forecast.